In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert MKV to MP4 using VLC Media Player. This is a completely free method. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you don't need to install any extra converters or online tools. If you've ever downloaded a video that plays fine in VLC but won't open on your phone, TV, or editing software, converting it to MP4 is usually the best solution. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even beginners can follow along. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure VLC Media Player is installed on your computer. If you already use VLC to watch videos, you're good to go. Go ahead and open VLC Media Player now. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar. Click on Media, and from the drop-down menu, select Convert or Save. This will open the Open Media window where you can choose the file you want to convert. In the Open Media window, make sure you're on the File tab. Now click the Add button. This will open your file manager. Navigate to the folder where your MKV video is stored. Select the MKV file you want to convert and click Open. You should now see your MKV file listed in VLC. After adding the file, look toward the bottom of the window and click the Convert or Save button. This will take you to the Convert screen where you choose the output format and destination. In the Convert window, find the Profile drop-down menu. This is where you select the output format. Choose a profile that uses MP4, such as Video H.264 plus MP3 in MP4, or Video H.264 plus AAC in MP4. These profiles are widely compatible and work well for most devices and editing software. Next, you'll need to choose where the converted file will be saved. Click the Browse button next to the Destination field. Select a folder where you want the MP4 file to be saved. In the file name box, type a name for your video and make sure it ends with .mp4. This step is very important because if you don't add .mp4, VLC may not save the file correctly. Once you've chosen the location and named the file, click Save. Now double-check everything. Make sure your source file is the MKV video you selected, the profile is set to an MP4 format, and the destination file name ends in .mp4. When you're ready, click the Start button. VLC will now begin converting your MKV file to MP4. You'll see the progress in the playback bar at the bottom of the VLC window. The time it takes depends on the length and size of the video, so just let it finish without closing VLC. When the conversion is complete, the progress bar will stop and VLC will look like it's finished playing a video. You can now go to the destination folder you selected and open your new MP4 file to confirm that it works. That's it. You've successfully converted an MKV file to MP4 using VLC Media Player for free. This method is safe, offline, and works great for most videos. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.